Hello, I'm Geetanjali and this is Eat with Geet. Khichdi has finally earned the much-deserved recognition in our country with the terrific world record. A lot of debate pumped up whether or not it should be labelled as a national food. I feel it's the most diverse yet comforting, wholesome food. So today, we are giving a loud twist and reinventing this to a butter chicken khichdi. Let's start with the mandatory first step of any chicken recipe, the marination. Marinate the boneless chicken with a cup of curd, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, tandoori chicken masala, and oil. Let this rest for a bit. In the meanwhile, heat a pan with 1 tablespoon of ghee and 1 tablespoon of butter. Now break in red dry chili and in goes onion. Saute this till the color changes. Further, a cup of tomato puree, followed by cumin powder, coriander powder, kasuri methi, and some garam masala. Cook it till the water evaporates and it starts leaving oil from the corners. It seems to be done. Now let it cool, as we need to blend it in a puree form. I like scraping every bit of it. Like, why wasting anyway? Skipping and hopping to our next step, in a cooker, heat a spoonful of ghee. And now add this mixture. Then the marinated chicken, soaked rice, salt and turmeric powder. Give this a good stir. Pour in some cream and finally add water. Now that everything is blended together, it looks luscious. Shut the lid and patiently wait for 2 whistles. I love the way how pressure cooking fills the room with the aroma. Some prefer their butter chicken a little sweet. I'm adding a spoon of honey to this. Remove it in a mold and set it. To give it a smoky effect and act all gastronomically cool, I am putting some heated coal and adding ghee over it. Quickly cover it for a few seconds so that it absorbs all the smokiness. Garnish it with a pinch of garam masala, some melted butter, fresh mint leaves, and fried onions. Demold it. And voila! Here we have our butter chicken khichdi.